The captain and his team is invited for dinner party. Ravi and Amit are my good friends. My friend and neighbor is here. The man, the woman and child is healthy in the village. See, the application of helping verbs. Sometimes it is used in singular form and some places it is used in plural form. Has, have, had. When to use? How are the applications going to change the sentence? How will it flip the meaning of the sentence if not used correctly? So, I, Reena Sharma, will teach you today subject verb agreement and our confusion would be clear today. So, let's continue the discussion with me, Reena Sharma, your vitamin T, means your teacher for all online solutions. If after an article, a and the, in between and, if an article is used in a sentence, in those cases, both the sentences will be considered to be different and we will use the plural form of the verb. If after and any article is used, we will consider both as different subjects and plural form of verb will be used in those cases. Let's look for some examples. The captain and the coach of the team were offered a high price. In this case, we can see that both the captain and the article is used here. It means the captain is a different person and the coach of the team is a different person. They cannot be termed as one person. So we are using the verb as plural form. But what if I remove the from here? Now the sentence becomes the captain and coach of the team. In this case, the captain and the coach of the team is the same person. So whenever we place the verb, we will always look for the first part of the subject. That is important. So the captain and coach of the team. So we will not use now here where, because word is used for plural form. We will now use the word was. The captain and the coach of the team was offered a high price. Let's take another example. The CEO and the manager is about to start a meeting. In this case also, here, the CEO and the manager, they both are considered as two different persons. Means the CEO is different because and is used here. Because the, I am specifically mentioning the, which we learned in articles. And the manager means they both are different. So in this case, the CEO and the manager were about to start the meeting will be the right option. I cannot use the word is, because they both are different person. But if I remove the word the from here, then I can use the article. If I remove the article the from the manager, I can use the word is about to start a meeting. Here we will consider the CEO and the manager as the same and one person. Take some more examples. Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam was a great leader and a great scientist. So, can you identify and say that there is an error in the sentence? What is the error? Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam is a single person, was a great leader, means a. We are using a, the article a for singular form. And again after and if I write a, means I am again considering a different person as a great scientist. In examination, lot of times questions come to rectify or correct the sentence. So in that case, I have to remove this a. This is the wrong part in the sentence. I cannot write Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam was a great leader and a great scientist. I will simply write Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam was a great leader and great scientist, because I am using these words of appraisal for Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Fourth sentence. See, my brother and my mentor dash arrived. So what are we supposed to write? Has or have? I have children. Till now you have understood what will be the answer. My brother means I am talking about my brother. I am speaking about particularly for my brother. And my mentor means my brother is my mentor. So my brother and my mentor, they both are same person. So I will use the singular form of the verb, that is has. I will not use the plural form of the verb. Otherwise, the whole sentence will be an error. Some other words, like words which are used together as a pair, we cannot separate them. They will be considered as, like bread and butter is my favorite tea time snack. Tea time snack. It means bread and butter. Though the word and is used, but it is considered as a singular word. So I will be using the term is here. More examples of these types will be like food and water, flesh and blood, cup and saucer, body and soul, give and take, slow and steady. All these will be used as one word. After these words, we will never use plural form of the verb. We will always use the singular form of the verb. So in case of indefinite pronouns, how we are supposed to use the verbs? Indefinite pronouns like someone, anyone, no one, etc. We will be using the singular form of the verb. Lot of plural words are there. Some plural words where we will always use the verb in singular form. They are news. I will never write news are. We will always use news is being telecast. So news, species, black cats, chilies, etc. So these will be used in singular form of verb. We will never use plural form of verbs with them. Collective nouns. Now there is a twist in collective nouns. In case of collective nouns, the army of soldiers. If I use the term the army of soldiers, then I will be using the verb is, and then we will continue the sentence. But if I say the army of the soldiers shifted to different positions, means here I am referring for each and every soldier they are taking a different position. Then in that exceptional cases, the verb will become plural. Otherwise, in case of collective nouns, the verb will be in singular form. So, to sum up with this, what do we understand? That subject and verb have agreement with each other. Means the verb always depends on the subject, whether it will be singular or plural. If subject is singular, verb will be plural, and if verb is singular, subject will be plural. Let's take some more pairs, like if I write shoes, scissors, trousers, etc. These are pairs. If I am using them as singular words in different sentence, they are okay. I am using my pair of shoes. Then here is, I will be using is. My pair of shoes is missing, or whatever verb I can add it here, or any adjective or anything. But my pair of shoes means I will consider it as one. So singular form of verb will be there. But if I say my shoes, then I will use the word are after this. So the verb will be plural when I use shoes. So I rest here with today's topic. If anyone has any queries, please do mention in the comment box. I will clear the doubts. And if you want me to make videos on any other topic, please mention that also in the comment box. Thank you.
बस दुआ में याद रखना।